Hi, my name is Jean. Welcome to Johnny's workshop. Today we'll be looking into these two Camaros. I wanted to show them at the same time because they're from different releases. So we're going to look into the Scirocco first. And it's been modified to be competitive. It doesn't have any DPR latch underneath, so if you ever have this kind of car to do this, you basically, well, you can use a bushing that fits well there. And these wires are rigid. And so are here, so you can really direct them in a position you wish to be permanent. And the way you achieve this is by removing from the plate, because these came from one of those digital chips that I think this is a revision H. So I removed from the plate and put some tiny little screws to hold in place, but I did have to make a post underneath each one of them, and so you can unscrew it basically with a tiny screwdriver. You go and take it off. So the tires are made by a local gentleman here in the south coast of England, and they're pretty good polyurethane. Both cars use these tires. It's approved by the club and everything. Now, weight-wise, what you want to do with this one that I found it worked well is one in the middle and one on each side here. Works fine. And of course, there are different arrangements you can do. And that's for this car, really. What the other one is a different underpan, and it went through a different sort of development. As at some point it was like a rat rod. It was really low. Cut a load of plastic off and etc. And then obviously it was illegal to race at the club, and I really wanted to race it because I really like this livery, and so I have to rebuild everything to put it to spec. But I lost the interior, so what happened is I've ended up using a NASCAR interior, which will look like the Australian, what do you call that? The Australian Touring Car Masters. You should look it up. It's brilliant. Those guys really go for it. And like here, you can compare two different models of tires, but they do fit well, and it doesn't change the width of the car, no, at all. Yeah, there's so many ways you can set up these cars. And the weight here could be set in a different way. I mean, I used to have weights at the front, but for some reason this car is a bit lighter. I mean, I've lost lots of bits of it because they both raced quite a bit. But to go an extra mile in a customization is to put the screws on lathe or a bench motor, and you can file all the thread on the top here, so you can allow a really nice body roll. And that's it for now, and thank you all for watching, and see you next time.